You're on Instagram, you're posting content, people are engaging, and somewhere along those lines you think, I should be building something with this audience. Maybe you've heard about Skool, maybe someone you follow is using it, and now you're wondering how to actually connect the two. How do you take your Instagram followers and turn them into a real community in Skool? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today, step by step, from creating your Skool community from scratch, all the way to setting up your Instagram so that it's actively sending people there. Let's get into it. I've been through this process myself, setting up a Skool community and using Instagram as a main traffic source, and I want you to save the trial and error. Quick thing before we start. If you decide Skool is in the right move for you after watching this, I've left my link right down below in the description. It'll take you straight into the sign up page and might include a special offer depending on where you're watching. Okay, let's go. So first things first, you need a Skool account. So go to skool.com, which is this website right here, and click on create your own. You're going to be redirected to a screen about Skool explaining what it's supposed to be. You can click on create your community. So you just have to fill out these details and click on sign up. Now it's going to be asking you to fill out the verification code sent to your email. So once you have that, paste it in, click on next. Now here you're going to select your plan. So both of these plans has a free trial version. You can pick anything you want. I'm going with the hobby, which is $9 per month. I'm going to click try for free. Now it's going to be asking you for a group name. I don't want you to overthink this. You can pick something that clearly tells your future members what they're getting. If you're a fitness coach, you can say something along the lines of Strong Body Club. Or if you're in the business space, maybe Creator Growth Hub. Basically, it just needs to be something that people can understand in 2 seconds. For me, that would be just my name, so John's Community, and it's going to be asking for your card numbers. So don't worry, you won't be charged upfront as this is a free trial. You just put your card number and click on Start Free Trial. Now it's going to be asking you the audience size. So this is dependent on how much Instagram followers you're already having in the first place. So for me, that would be under 10,000. But it could be different depending on how much followers that you have. Click on next, and then you can upload your profile picture and then add in your bio. Usually, you'd want to set up your profile picture just the same as what your logo looks like on Instagram. That way your community is easy to remember. So once you have uploaded your logo, I will now be adding my bio. So for me, that would be I help online coaches get more clients in Instagram. Click on complete. Now, once you're done, you're going to be seeing this dashboard. First things first, I want you to click on settings. Go in the middle of the page, click on settings, click on general, and then this is where you can upload your icon and cover. Put in the logo of your community, click on save. You can also add your cover. And once you have that in, click on save. Now the group description is where it's all at. You want to make sure that it is letting the community know what exactly you are doing. So in this case, I help online coaches who want to grow on Instagram and sign more clients. Now, once that is done, you can head to pricing. And then this is where that matters. You want to make sure that your community is free. Your Instagram audience does not know who you are well enough just to be able to pay upfront. You need to get them in the door, deliver the value of your service, build trust, and then introduce a paid tier with a paid community. Free gets the momentum faster, and then later you can just bring in whatever paid services that you want. Once that is done, you can close the tab and click on Classroom. So in this tab, this is where you can add the free content, mini courses, guides, resources, you name it. Even if it's just one short video or a PDF, having something in there shows people that you're serious. It gives them a reason to stay after they join. You don't really need to go crazy in here right now. Even just one welcome module with a 2-minute video works just fine. You can either record a quick intro video on Loom or just upload a simple course that you already made. So for me, I'll just indicate that there is a dummy course in here. So you can set this to open because you want your community to be free first. Click on add. And then this is where you can add more topics. Now your community at this point is set up. Simple, but very solid, okay? Now let's talk about the part that actually matters. Instagram. Here is the plan. And it's simpler than you might think. Your Instagram is at the top of the funnel and your Skool community is right under it. This is where people go deeper to know about what solutions you can provide for them. So every piece of content that you post in Instagram should naturally point towards Skool. Not in a spammy way, more of a this is the next step in the process kind of way. So step one, you need to copy your Skool link, which is, if you take a look here, it's right below your community name. You can copy that and head to Instagram, click on edit profile, and then you can paste the website in here. If you could see, this is only currently available on mobile, so you want to do this on your phone. But once you have done that, just click on save and then go back to your profile, and then you should see that in the front page. So once you've done that, you'll have a direct link to your website for anyone who views your Instagram page. Number two, start using captions and stories to drive the traffic there. Now here's the thing. Don't just say, join my community, link in bio. That is a bot caption and that will never work well. Instead, you need to tease the value inside of your course. So for example, I made a post right here, which indicates I launched a free community for online coaches, and here's what's inside. So it lets the people know what they're expecting. And in the caption, I put together a full breakdown of this inside my free Skool community. Link in the bio to join. You're giving them a reason. You're telling them what's waiting inside on the other side. Now do this consistently. Make up more posts, more stories, and even use a link sticker on the story if you wish. And you will see people joining your community. Not thousands overnight though, but a steady warm flow of people who actually care about what you do. That is the system. It's not complicated. It's just consistency. That's what matters. Now let's run through what we have just covered today. You created your Skool community. You gave it a clear name, set it up as free, added a quick about section, and added some starter content as well. And on the Instagram side, you were able to bind your Skool link in the description of your bio, and you know how to write captions that tease the community. You're using these as leverage to make sure that they are funneled towards your Skool website. That's a complete working system, and honestly, most people never even got this far. If you do this, you're already ahead of them. If you're ready to start, the link is in the description right below this video. It'll take you straight into the Skool. You can create your account and have your community live within the next 30 minutes if you follow what I showed you. It might even also include a special offer if there's one running right now. So definitely worth checking out. And if you have questions about naming your community, what content to put inside a classroom, or how to write your Instagram captions, you can just drop them down in the comments and I'll read everything and get back to you, okay? I hope this helped. Go build that thing and see you in the next one.